Hi, I'm Nate with the Petzl Technical Institute. In this video, I'm going to go through the proper inspection procedures for Petzl helmets, and I'm going to be using the Strato and the Vertex vent for demonstration. Before getting started, be sure to visit petzl.com to download the inspection procedures document. This document will provide you with a step-by-step guide for doing your inspection. We'll begin the inspection by reviewing the history of the product to ensure that there have been no exceptional events that would be grounds for retirement. Next, we'll do a preliminary observation of the helmet to check for any modifications or missing parts. This is also a good time to check the CE mark and the serial number to verify that they are still legible. Beginning in 2019, all Petzl helmets are explicitly marked with the date of manufacture indicated by this symbol. Regardless of the year of manufacture, all Petzl helmets have a serial number. And if your helmet was manufactured before 2019, visit petzl.com to determine the year of manufacture based on the serial number. Petzl recommends a maximum lifespan of 10 years. However, keep in mind that one unusual event could be grounds for retirement. Now let's move on to inspecting the shell of the helmet. Start off by looking for any damage to the shell, such as deformation or major dents. Also, look for cracking of the shell. Specifically, look for cracks near the accessory mounting slots. Also look for any exposure to chemicals or UV that could be indicated by discoloration of the shell. If your helmet has ventilation holes, make sure that the shutters are operational. Do the same inspection criteria on the inside of the shell. In the Vertex helmet, the suspension webbing is also inspected for damage such as burns, cuts, or any sort of deformation to the plastic pieces. Also, be sure to inspect where the suspension system is attached to the shell of the helmet. In the Strato, the foam liner needs to be inspected for any sort of cracks or deformation. Be sure to remove any sort of comfort foam to inspect any components of the helmet that might be hidden. Any cracks or deformation to the foam liner of the helmet is grounds for retirement. Next, we'll inspect the headband. Check the headband to ensure that it is not broken and that any materials are missing. Next, look for the connection of the headband to the shell of the helmet. Also check the functionality by operating the adjustment wheels in both directions and then pull lightly on the headband to ensure that the setting does not change. Pulling too forcibly on the headband can damage the adjustment system. The chin strap is also inspected for wear, cuts, burns, or deformation of the plastic pieces. Adjust the buckle so that the webbing strap can be inspected along the entire length. Buckle and pull gently on the chin strap to ensure that it is in good working condition. The headlamp clips and any additional accessories should also be inspected for wear. Be sure to log the information from your inspection at least once a year or in compliance with your local regulations. These are just a few tips on how to inspect your Petzl helmet. For more information, please visit petzl.com.